How to set up Google XML Sitemap WordPress tutorial. So guys, before I begin, my name is Yavar Khan. I create a lot of WordPress tutorial, plugin reviews, and how to build an online brand. So please consider subscribing. And also, if you watch the video till the end, I have a free bonus for you. So stay tuned. So let's get back to the video on how to set up Google XML Sitemap. So basically, before I begin, I'm going to explain you what is XML Sitemap. So let's go new. So basically, it's your website details, okay, your pages, your post, everything is over here. And Google is like, you know, it stores all the website information and everything, and it's the best search engine. So basically what it does is the spiders. So basically Google have spiders, okay, so they come to your website, and Google doesn't have eye right now, so it doesn't have eyes, so it sends spiders to your website. They crawl, okay, it's called crawl. They crawl on your website and they check. So basically sitemap is like a tree of your website. So basically it's like an address book, so it shows the post, the pages, everything is inside that information. So sitemap is really critical. So now I'm going to tell you how to create sitemap. So if you have a WordPress website, the most easiest way to create is download an SEO plugin, because with one arrow you could get, like, you know, you're saving a lot. I don't know how to say it, so maybe it's one arrow and you're getting twice the benefits. I don't know how to say it, but if you know it, let me know in comments. So now all you have to do is install Yoast. So basically Yoast is an SEO plugin. So click on Yoast, click on activate. Once it's activated, so click on SEO and then click on features, then scroll down. So SEO general features, scroll down to XML sitemap, make sure it's on. Once it's on, just click on the question mark, see the sitemap XML. So this is your hierarchy. So basically once you install SEO, you can just directly type this one, sitemap.xml index. So I'm just going to make it big for you guys. Just click here, type Ctrl V, make it big, and I can't see it. Sitemap, this one, yeah. So you just, after your site domain name, / sitemap _ index.xml, this is your sitemap. So now you know that your sitemap is generated and everything is in it. Your post, so my post, all my posts is over here. So these are the posts. If I click over here, it will open my post. So once that's done, now you need to put your sitemap in Google. So it's very easy again. Yoast SEO would do it. So just click on Webmaster Tools. So it's already done, but I'm going to do it again. Just click on Google Search Console. You need to have a Gmail ID for this. Click on HTML tag, copy the whole thing, verify. But before you verify, you need to paste over here. Just paste it, save changes, and then verify. Okay, so I had already done it before, so maybe that's the reason it got verified. But then yeah, just have to paste the code, click on verify. So now, great job, it's verified by Google. So basically the sitemap is submitted to Google, and that's it guys. Your website would start indexing. Usually it will start indexing today, tomorrow, depends on Google, whenever it feels like to send the spiders, but usually within a week you would get indexed. So that's it guys, and I hope you really like the video, and I keep on coming up with such information. So if you really like the video, don't forget to subscribe. I don't want to unsubscribe, just subscribe. And the free bonus I told you, so I've created a free crash course on how to create a WordPress website from scratch. I tell you the best themes, the best plugin, everything is over there. So go and check out, and it's a free course. And thank you for watching, and I would see you in the next video. Yavar Khan signing off.